According to Sangeet Nadak Academy, how many classical dances are there in India? Option A 9, option B 8, option C 7, option D 10. Option B 8 is the correct answer. Who is known as the father of modern dance in India? Option A Uday Shankar, option B Birju Maharaj, option C Bharadamuni, option D Mallika Sarabhai. Option A Uday Shankar is the correct answer. Which art form was Yamini Krishnamurthy associated with? Option A Bharatanatyam, option B Ragamala, option C Kathak, option D Mohiniyattam. Option A Bharatanatyam is the correct answer. Chow is a dance form related to which of the following states? Option A West Bengal, option B Tamil Nadu, option C Haryana, option D Gujarat. Option A West Bengal is the correct answer. Spao is a folk dance from which state or UT? Option A Jammu and Kashmir, option B Ladakh, option C Himachal Pradesh, option D Sikkim. Option B Ladakh is the correct answer. Ghumura is a folk dance of which state? Option A Odisha, option B Jharkhand, option C Rajasthan, option D Bihar. Option A Odisha is the correct answer. Kuchipudi dance form originated from which state? Option A Tamil Nadu, option B Telangana, option C Andhra Pradesh, option D Karnataka. Option C Andhra Pradesh is the correct answer. Which of the following folk dance is from Telangana? Option A Maimada, option B Alkap, option C Madhuri, option D Garadi. Option C Madhuri is the correct answer. Lavani is a folk dance from which state? Option A Rajasthan, option B Madhya Pradesh, option C Maharashtra, option D Manipur. Option C Maharashtra is the correct answer. Which is the harvesting dance of Rajasthan? Option A Ghumar, option B Teratali, option C Khayal, option D Bum. Option D Bum is the correct answer. Name the traditional bamboo dance of Mizoram. Option A Chera, option B Nongkram, option C Jagoi, option D Dalkai. Option A Chera is the correct answer. Chowfat dance form from Sikkim is performed by which community? Option A Lepcha, option B Kaloi, option C Bawai, option D Kasi. Option A Lepcha is the correct answer. Leshalaptu and Aluyatu by Konyak tribe is associated with which state? Option A Nagaland, option B Mizoram, option C Manipur, option D Assam. Option A Nagaland is the correct answer. Yakshagana is related to which state? Option A Telangana, option B Andhra Pradesh, option C Karnataka, option D Kerala. Option C Karnataka is the correct answer. Garba dance form is related to which state? Option A Goa, option B Gujarat, option C Rajasthan, option D Madhya Pradesh. Option B Gujarat is the correct answer.